Hello everyone. Today we would like to walk you through the overview of technical files. After we are logged into the platform, we'll see an overview of all technical files. On this page, we can create a new technical file. We can click on Import to import pre-draft files. It is also possible to buy credits online via the button Buy Credits. We can manage all the requests we have received on the Requests page. The invites sent out can be managed on the Invites page. The shares we sent out are managed on the Shares page. Click on Reports. Here we can generate various types of reports. Based on all our technical files, we can click on Help for this page in the top right corner to get information and help on how to get started. We can also access Product IPedia to learn more about product compliance and to learn more about how to use the Product IP platform. On the Overview page of Technical Files, we can click on the top right icon to update settings at the back end. For example, if you click on Company Account, in the Users tab we can invite new users to join the company account. We can also set up user groups and manage users per group. In Regulatory Settings, we can apply a new setting for requirements. For example, which requirements can be set to not applicable in batch. In Documents Risks, we can set risk levels for the required documents. If documents' risk levels are not set, system default is that all required documents are high risk. Let's take a look at Progress and click on the box underneath. A list of missing documents is then displayed. As we have just mentioned in Regulatory Settings, if we do not set any documents' risks levels, then all missing documents will be high risk by default. Once risk levels are set, depending on whether missing documents are medium or low risk, the box will be displayed with the corresponding colour. We can use the Supplier Filter button on the right to filter suppliers. And technical files related to the selected suppliers will be displayed. If we click on Export, the platform generates an Excel with information on current technical files. We can also click on Select Columns to make an update on the columns you do or do not need. Let's say we add Creator. Then we can easily see who created the technical file. We can adjust the position of the columns by moving columns around in the Overview of Technical Files. We can upgrade the services we need. Or execute operations in batch by selecting multiple files. Choose the action needed such as upgrading to fast service in batch. Click on Execute. Thank you for your attention.